One of the most exciting features on the new version of Drone Complier is this thing called Pilot View. Pilot View allows the pilot to have quick access to the majority of functions within Drone Complier, but with a simple interface. It also allows the pilot to be able to set up a job and request authorization from the chief pilot electronically on the field, on location. So we're going to choose for this express mission, we're wanting to set up a job out there on the field. We're going to choose a project, we're going to give it a mission name, so we're just going to call it survey at racecourse, because we're out there at the racecourse. Now, the problem with this is when I get down to here, choosing an actual location, the thing's going to bark a little bit at me because I'm using this on my computer and my home location is not set. So the actual location isn't the location that I would be if I was out on the field. But I can still set up a job anyway. So I'm going to set up a job up here somewhere. I think there's a race course somewhere here. I might be wrong on that. There's one. So just that's where I'm going to set up my job, right here. On that. There it is. And it's automatically redone the location, and it's got my airspace stack, which is telling me that I'm in G-class airspace. I'm close to the Wollongong heliport, 4.25 nautical miles to the Wollongong heliport. Gives me the CTAF frequency of that, and it also gives me the nearest bigger airport, Wollongong itself, which is a little bit outside of 3 nautical miles. So airport's close by, but not too great a concern, as you can see from zooming out the map anyway. Now the other thing we can do is just the same as before. We can create a flight area. So if we want to create a flight area around here, we can. And so I'm only going to fly in that area rather than using the default circle. So there you go. So I've got my job there already set up. I can now do a job safety assessment. It's got some warnings about the airframe, but I'm going to go ahead with that because I'm out in the field and I've got the airframe and I can see it. My JSA, same as before, same as the standard JSA. We can go through that. Of course, I wouldn't be using a mouse to click it on the field. I'd be using my finger, which would be quite different, but I can tell you from experience using this app on a mobile device that it is not too unlike using it in the browser.